7 days to consider option. So Congress ruled the states upset. So actually here, recently the High Court has given the statement that, so why can't you consider as this interest for the loans or credits, because the government must be the responsible for this lockdown. So that's why, so this interest rate should be considered. So for this, but here the Sitaram is telling that the pandemic of is an act of God, which will be escaped from these insurances like that. Okay. The next step, states can have subgroups among the SCs and STs, says court. So order counters 2004 verdict referred to several judges bench. So here, this High Court has given the statement that, so here uh, the Supreme Court said that, so even the state can have subgroups. So okay, we can see this SC, STs, they want to be the categories, subgroups. Okay, so that is a long struggle is there for SCs and STs. So for this, the court is telling that the states can have subgroups, okay, while the center is not involved with that. So here you can see this the millions of dollars questions is how to trickle down the benefits of reservation to the bottom rung. The states can be so deprived of the power to take care of the qualitative and quantitative differences between the different classes. To take alternative measures. So this is the message given by this. So to take this sub-care, that means states can take their own decisions. They have these the low class people, mainly the SCs and STs, to have the subgroups. Okay, so just we move forward. And next just okay. So here you can see this. Next one is, so back to the cities. So once again, the peoples are coming to the cities as it is. You can see this lockdown. So lockdown was completely unlocked. So slowly, so the migrant workers who left in the Uttar Pradesh when the lockdown began and returned to the Delhi, a scene of the, so it is taken that. So before lockdown, all people they went away from the Delhi and also the Uttar Pradesh like that. So once again, the peoples are coming to back to their work. So this is some sort of the unlocked. Next, STs refused to pass directions to allow Muharram processions. So here actually the Muharram belongs to the religious things. So we have the secular state. That means the Supreme Court has said that, so it won't pass any directions to allow the Muharram processions. So it is their own religious matters. The government doesn't have any involvement in this one, as our country is called as a secular country. Okay, so that's why we don't have any involvement in this. So like that, the Supreme Court has given the justice. And next, so just students want NEET, JEE, says Procreate. So over 17 lakh downloaded admit course. So actually here, recently the government has said that they are going to conduct this NEET and JEE. So JEE. But here over nearly how many lakhs are developed means nearly 17 lakhs. 17 lakh students has downloaded to write the examination. Okay. So this matter tells that so this is the important person. So Pokhriya. So he is one of the government official and he said that so nearly they want to write. But here there are two views are there. One is to conduct the exam, the other side is, so as it is the time of the pandemic, so the people are not enough to go for the exams as it may be the unsafe for their health. So just moving forward. Next, so restoration of peace. So restoration of peace on LAC, key to rise, India said. So China argues focus on big picture. So here LAC was there. So line of actual control. So this is the how the problem between this India and China. And here we have this total 8 fingers are there. You know that. So finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here finger 4 is the border for the India and China. So beside this finger 4, so beside at this side we can have this Indian territory, and the other side is the Chinese territory. So Indians are actually their original position is, so India claims that up to finger 8 is India, but the China claims that so nearly finger 4. So India is telling for the soldiers to move back to the finger 8, but they are not crossing this finger 4. But they are actually recently they have moved towards this finger 1 and finger 2. Okay, but India's intention is to ask the Chinese, but they are not moving backward. So this is the tension. Restoration of peace and lead key to the ties. So this is the border tension between the India and China. And next, so Delhi riots. Amnesty India demands probe into claims of rights violation. So reports raise questions on police conduct as the rioters drank among. So amnesty, so hate speeches. So these are the demonstrations. So it is going in the Delhi, that is demonstrations. Okay, to claim the rights violation. So here, this you can see daily the Delhi it is having many sorts of rights. So for the rights violation, so they are going to raise this movement. Okay, next. So Delhi Center stare over COVID-19 testing. So Delhi government on Thursday indicated that the Union Ministry of Home Affairs was pursuing the officials to not increase the number of COVID tests in the city. A claim which was dismissed by the MHA, Ministry of Health Affairs, as false and baseless. So this statement was false and baseless that MHA was telling them. So amid COVID testing, so they are connecting more tests, but here they're telling that they are not going to connect the test. So this is completely the baseless. So like that MHA was said. Okay. Next, 5 members of Great Andaman tribe test positive. So even this COVID-19, it is not going to leave even this Andaman Nicobar peoples also. So nearly how many peoples? Nearly 5 members. So 5 members of Great Andaman tribe test positive. So 4 men and women, a woman from the group moved to COVID-19 isolation facility. So mainly this in the UPSC exam they may ask you. So the Port Blair, it is the capital city. Okay, Port Blair is the capital city for Andaman Nicobar Islands. There you can see the tribal peoples. So there also the COVID-19 was spread. So nearly 5 members of this Andaman Nicobar, they are going to test the positive. So next, just we move forward. And here, EDMC moves to terminate Hussein's membership. So this is that much of importance was not there. So High Court to resume physical hearing on rotation basis. So bearing file, the other benches will hear matters via video conferences. So mandatory reforms, wearing mask all time. So these are some of the conditions. Okay, so mandatory norms are so wearing mask all time and sanitizing the hands before and at the time of entry, strict adherence and to the social distancing with the court complex, and undergoing the scanning at the designated entry points, social and physical distancing. So these are the conditions and norms. Okay, so High Court to resume physical hearing on rotation basis. So High Court is planning to hear the court or cases based on the rotation basis, but the people must follow these conditions before coming to the courts. Okay, but actually previously they are hearing only this online. So online hearing was there, but recently the court has given that they are going to hear with the physical hearing on a basis of rotation basis, but they must follow these norms. Okay, next, so why did police fail to prevent Delhi riots? So police have denied role despite multiple video evidences, says Amnesty report. So we can see here, So the Delhi is experiencing many riots. Okay. So here police have denied the road despite multiple video evidences. So there are some video evidences are there that police has denied. Okay. And also why did this police prevent the Delhi riots? Is because so this is one of the allegation by the public. Okay. So we can see this. Next, these are the headlines from this. Next, out on bail. Right accused tried to start life anew. So families claim you were called by police for questioning but arrested instead. So this is one of the other. Just moving forward. This is the second page. And next, out on bail. Okay, right accused tried to start life new. So families claim you were called by police for questioning but arrested instead. So this is the allegations. So fire and scrap market in the northeastern Delhi. So Gokul Puri during riots. So this is the picture you can see here. This is the picture shown that when the riots are going on in the Delhi. Okay. So always we can see this some sort of riots. Because this is our coverage democracy one. So we can see here this sort of riots. Next, yes. So police rescue woman after she emails UKPM. She was upset due to financial burden. So you can see here this is one headline. And next headline is so Delhi government centers span over increasing COVID-19 testing. Union Home Ministry putting pressure on the state governments officials not to ramp up testing. So here you can see here Delhi government and center spare over increasing of COVID-19 testing. So the Delhi is going to test a lot. So testings are going on a lot, but so there are some allegations are there. So here we can see a health worker conducting COVID-19 test in New Delhi. So this is a picture. So the state government on Thursday alleged that the Union Ministry of Home Affairs was putting pressure on the Delhi government officials to not increase the number of COVID tests in the city. The claim which was republished by the MHA, which termed as a false and baseless. So they said that the government is telling that they are putting pressure on the state government of Delhi. That is mainly you can see here. That is Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, Aam Aadmi Party. So this is the state government in Delhi. So they are keeping some sort of pressure, but the central government, the MHA said that there is no meaning in that. This is false and baseless. Okay, this is the allegation. The next, so capital witnessed highest count of COVID-19 cases in over 45 days. So number of containments. Okay, just yes. Okay. So capital witnesses highest count of COVID-19 cases in over 45 days. So nearly within the 45 days, highest count of witness was done in the national capital, that is Delhi. So number of containment zones rise to 734 regions. So nearly 734 regions were affected, and death toll touches to 4,369 members. So the death rate was increased to this one. And next, virus spread. So total number of COVID-19 cases in the Delhi near it is about 1,67,604 cases, and new cases in this past 24 is 1,840. And next, total deaths is nearly 4,369, and new deaths are today is within 24 hours is nearly 22 members. So this is the death. Okay, so this is the position of Delhi in the national, that is in the national capital region. And next here, so Delhi Metro likely to restart services in phased manner after center's nod. So it may be limited to government officials, essential services providers only. So here metro trains corporate DMRC, so Delhi Metro Railways Corporation aired in the New Delhi. So Delhi is trying to restore the services in a phased manner after giving the center's permission, and there may be so it may be limited to government officials. So, but for the government officials, it may be limited, but for essential providers, it will be very high. So, this is what matters belongs to about the service providing. Next up, central betraying states by not paying GST compensations. So, the government should take loan on our behalf. So he is telling that. So, the central betraying states by not paying GST compensation. So, recently the central government is not giving any compensation GST for the state governments. So the states are asking directly that the center should take, so the government should take a loan on behalf of these people. That is mainly the states. Sorry, the states. So this is about this. Next up. MPD 2020-41. So DDA is set to interact with the stakeholders. First online meet with so this is about the meeting with the public, that is it was about the MPD. Next, just move forward. So here, okay. So next, how avenging defeat in municipal polls, Alex BJP. So Delhi government financially starving civic bodies, leaving people to die burning crisis. So this is the BJP and also this is a competition between the BJP and AAP. Okay, the municipal, so it is given about the municipalities elections. So left turn, the civic bodies says AAP. So BJP is saying it does not have money ever since it came to the power. It has run the civic bodies. Says AAP. So this is the AAP is telling to the BJP like this. Okay. And next, so just to move forward. Next, cab drivers threaten to go on strike from September 1. So this is the cab drivers. So they have given a call for going for strike from September 1 as their question was very critical. Next, Kashmiri Samaritan questioned for 30 hours. So it was found near Parliament House. So 2 IDs found from his bag raised suspicion. So this is one of the person. Okay. So he is called as Kashmiri Samaritan. So he is questioned for 30 hours. And next, yes, in the 4th page it is given that north and east problems, that is so just to remember. So pending bypoll about future to the MPs, says Manoj. So Kamal Nath was telling that. So pending bypoll about future of the Madhya Pradesh, says MP. Okay, that is next, ex-CM exhorts voters to support troops. So this is the about the election to bypoll in the Madhya Pradesh. So it is some of the allegations said by the Kamala Nath. Next, Punjab House session today amid virus fears. So 29 ministers, MLAs have tested positive for COVID-19 so far. So in the Punjab, so this is given that. So here CM Amarendra Singh, so he is the CM, Chief Minister of Punjab. So within the session, so nearly 29 ministers have been tested positive, and even the MLAs. So 29 ministers and MLAs have been tested positive. So amid this one, the session today was fear because of this virus. Okay. Next here, religious places in Rajasthan to reopen from September 7. To employees test positive at 10 employees test positive at CM's residence and office. So he is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot. So recently, so there is a lot of political crisis was there between Ashok Gehlot and also this Sachin Pilot. And of course, the problem was solved within his Congress. So now here, the Ashok Gehlot, so the CM has given call that religious places will be reopened from September 7. And actually here the other side is, so 10 employees test positive at the CM's residence and also the office. So this is the condition in Rajasthan. So next, okay. So rural and local council elections held in the Mizoram. So in the Mizoram, you can see here the rural bodies and also the local council elections are held. So virus safety protocol followed. So he has declared that. So the elections in the Mizoram and also Mizoram. So there are two elections. So that is a rural election and local body council elections are going on. But all the protocol has participated. They have followed with all the protocols. Okay, amid this COVID-19 test. Next, Arunachal Pradesh. So Arunachal House to push for sixth scheduled status. Laws needed to safeguard tribal rights. So these are the objectives and also their demands proclaimed by this Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, they want to, so the Arunachal House to push for sixth scheduled status. So they want to be in the sixth step. So this will complete this. Next, so Atal Bora re-elected AGP chief. So we can see here on Assam. So Assam Gana Parishad, this is the chief. So he is once again re-elected as the president or the chief for this AGP. So AGP, Assam Gana Parishad. So it is present in Uttar, that is in the Assam. Just remember this. Sometimes they ask for the MCQs. Okay, multiple choice questions will be asked. And next, so restrict peace process to Nagaland. So students body. So this is the students are demanding for this. Okay. So restrict peace process to Nagaland. So students body. So this is about restore the peace in Nagaland and the violences are broke out. Next, so 11-year-old girl takes class 12 exam in Madhya Pradesh. So psychometric test puts her IQ at 150. So here actually she is only just 7 years. I'm sorry, 11 years old. And she has taken the class 12 exam in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So but in the psychometric test, so he put an IQ of 150. So you can see this how intelligent she was. Okay. And next, just moving forward. So next, this is from the west side of India. So Mahad building surveyors start at uncertain future. Mahad building surveyors stare at uncertain future. So decision on compensation soon, says minister. So agitation plan at collapse site. So here this is a residents looking for their belongings at the building collapse site. So Mahad. So you can see that recently the building was collapsing. Okay. So and the peoples are so some of the peoples are died in this. Okay, you can see here the resident looking for their belongings. The building collapse. Next, fire in Mumbai building doused after 6 hours. So in the Mumbai, you can see here the building fire in the Mumbai. So building fire was taking place here for 6 hours. So it was came into stop. Next, Ajit Power argues center to clear states GST dues worth of 22,534 crores, and delays will raise amount to 1 lakh crore in 2 years. So this is so Ajit Pawar he argued center to clear the state GST dues. So totally the state's GST dues is nearly 22,534 crores a day. So this should be cleared as amid COVID-19 test. So COVID-19 was there. So this is one of the pandemic. Amid this pandemic, so that should be cleared by the center. Okay, so he was demanding that. That is Ajit Pawar. So next, just to move forward. Yes. So next here, So part of toilet collapses in Grand Road, 2 killed. So this is another incident. Next, Chavan supporters criticize Samia edit. So this is also another thing. So we can come to this. Next, Bhima Korean case. So near someone's defense lawyers. So we can see here this is a long time problem. Okay, this is a strategic problem. So Bhima Korean cases. Here someone's defense lawyers. So they are going to summon the defense lawyers for Bhima Korean cases. Next, Sena MP offers to resign over differences with the NCP. So here you can see here in what way is the session of the fallout in the rivalry between the Shiva Sena and the Nationalist Congress Party NCP, and both parties have the Abadi government. So Abadi government in Maharashtra. So Sena, Parabi MP, Sana. So these are the just allegations for between the two parties. Okay. Next here, so Ma choose to serve her people. Is that anti-national? So Dr. Pence heartfelt note as Sudha Bharadwaj complete 2 years in prison. So here we can see this. This is given about the. It is here noted that human rights lawyer. So here you can see here human rights lawyer, that is Sudha Bharadwaj, was arrested by Pune police from her residence in the Fazirabad in August of 2018 in connection with the Bhima Korean violence cases. So she was arrested as she is having some of the links like that. But so that is the case. And next, so just to move forward. Next one is in the 6th page. You can see here editorials. So editorials are very important. Okay. So here an airtight case. A further clarity emerged on the JEM's Jaish-e-Mohammed and Pakistan role in the Pulwama attack. So here it is given about the Pulwama attack, which is taken place in the Delhi. Okay, and they have accused some of the group, that is mainly the JEM, Jaish-e-Mohammed group. Okay, for this. So further clarity emerges on the JMs and Pakistan's role in the Pulwama attack. So it is confirming that Pakistan's role in this attack. Okay. Next, the participants we need in the phase 3 trials. Why it is good idea for healthcare workers and vulnerable subject to enroll in the COVID-19 phase 3 trials. So this is given about totally about the COVID-19. So participants we need in phase 3 trials. So actually here we have the trials are going on, okay, based on the phases. So phase 1 and phase 2 and phase 3 trials are going on. So now the phase 3 trials is there. So participants we need in phase 3 trials. So why it is good for idea for the healthcare workers to vulnerable subject to enroll in COVID-19 phase 3? So actually phase 3 trial is going on for some of the people who are having this COVID-19 test. But phase 3, of course, the phase 2 and phase 1, they have given the good results. But phase 3 also, it may be testing for the, based on the people. So here workers who are working in the health workers, so they are facing the vulnerable problems. Okay, so you can see here, that is, this is about totally about the phase 3 trials. Okay, so just to move forward. Next, so impartial, aloof and sober as judge. So judges must ponder and pursue the old norms that earn them respect and public confidence. So judges must ponder and pursue the old norms that earn them respect and public confidence. So here, qualities of a judge. So this is given about the judges. Okay. So it is given about the judges. So what are the qualities should be there? How the CJI is, what is the participation of the CJI and the position of the high courts. So every state is having the high courts. and also the Supreme Court at the central level. So we can have the CJI. So there are different opinions are there. So you can see here the qualities of judges. So there should be some quality in the judges. Okay. So here the reputed service reported that people were knowledgeable about the instance that the CJI did not know who owned the motorcycle like that. So this is some of the examples given here. Okay. So next, so just to move forward. Next, so this is the open editorials, 7th page. Can a digital ID aid India's primary health ecosystem? So the what is the matter here means? So can a digital ID aid India's primary health centers ecosystem? So here, actually, we have the digital IDs. There should be digital IDs. Without strong health infrastructure, it could amount to putting the cart before the horse. So we want to move towards. So here, this is the questions and answers. So you can see here. Yes, there should be a digital ID which is very flexible for identifying the patients and also giving proper treatments like that. Yes. So to some extent, we have this two versions, two views are there, left and right, and also the center. Okay. Next, yes, categorizing activities in the context of pandemic. So the government should devise a simple behavior model. So initially, the days of COVID-19 to the words of the end of March 2020. So India went to a lockdown. A number of days, number of daily new cases was at the time of 87, but now the fear of contracting the various viruses. And so here we can see this the categorizing of activities in the context of pandemic. So this is about total pandemic right there. So daily we are seeing this. Next, may humor prevail. So judges with a funny bone or a rare species but thankfully not yet extinct. So here what is the means? So SP and BSP, two political parties are there. So SP party, so next BSP party. So Mulayam Singh Yadav, Akhilesh Yadav, and here also you can see this Mayawati. So two persons are there. But here in between this one, so they are too far away. So can't hear them. So when this is just a small caption. Okay, they are very far away this. So they are present at the high level. So the common people voice cannot be heard. So like that, this is just some common. Next from the, we can see here from the archives. So from the archives means here, this is taken from archives. Okay, that means in the olden days, the ancient period. So courtesy was Mysore inflexible. So Mysore Chief Minister Virendra Patil declared here in Bangalore today that he had his own reservation about 1924 Mysore Madras Kaveri agreements. So this is about given in the archives. So it is collected. This article is collected from the archives. Okay, it is given from about this Mysore. So you can see here how the links between the Mysore and the Kaveri river. So next, yes. Next one is, so in the 8th page, so borrow from RBI to bridge gap GST gap. So this is already discussed. Next, Karnataka case spike of 9,386 sets, new record. So Bangalore added 3,357 cases and 2,795 test positive in Telangana, AP. Tally close to 4 lakhs. Tamil Nadu crosses 4 lakh mark. So this is given about the situation in the South India mainly. So Karnataka cases spikes to 9,000. Okay, 9,386 in single day. This is a new record. And next here, so back to route. So hoping to enhance the, so nearly here you can see this Bangalore added nearly 3,357 cases. And next year, 2,795 test positive in Telangana and AP, and close to the 4 lakhs. So combined, we can tell that this is a 4 lakhs mark. So Tamil Nadu already crossed this 4 lakh mark. Next year, we can see here the position of the Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu, here we can see the total cases nearly 4 lakhs. And Andhra Pradesh, it is in second place in South India. So nearly it was about 3 lakhs 93,000. So ready to cross the 4 lakhs. Next year, Karnataka was there. It was about nearly 3 lakhs 9,792 cases. Next, Telangana region, nearly 1 lakh 14,000. And Kerala, 66,000. So this is the position of South Indian states. And here we can see these active cases. So in active cases in the Karnataka, so here we can see here in South India. So in the Kerala, so the active cases are nearly 22,673, and recovered cases is nearly 43,757, and deaths are so 267 deaths are there. And in Telangana, here we can see this number of cases is 1,14,483, and recovered cases. So active cases are nearly 27,600, and recovered cases are 86,095. And here deaths are totally nearly 788. Sorry. Next, Karnataka. So Karnataka number of total cases is nearly 3 lakhs 9,792, and here the active cases are nearly 84,987, and recovered cases are nearly 2 lakhs 90,555. How many deaths are nearly 5,232 cases. So this much of people were died. And next, come to the Andhra Pradesh. So total number of cases in Andhra Pradesh is nearly 3,93,090, and active cases are nearly 94,209, and recorded cases are nearly 2,95,248 cases. Okay, and next come to this Tamil Nadu, the highest one. So total number of cases is 4,03,242. And next here total cases, active cases are nearly 52,364. And here the recovered rate is nearly 3,43,930. And nearly how many deaths are nearly 6,948 people are died. So back to the roots. So, but of course the spice root. So here traders are selling the ginger and the garlic at the Usmanjali in Hyderabad. So this shows that so day by day we are using this as an anti-medicines, antibiotics. We increase these antibodies, so we can use this ginger and others. Okay, so here what is the news? So this is slowly the unlocking. Okay, the selling was increased. Slowly that was going to be increased. So next, just we move forward. Yes. Next, state can give. Okay. So here we have already discussed this one. Next, consider the option concerns governor. So consider opposition's concern governor sends so Chennitala's petition to CM. So Arif Muhammad Khan. So Kerala. So Kerala governor, he was sending some of the requests to these state governments to consider the opposition's concern, as the opposition has went and given some of the letters to this governor. Okay, governor has ordered the state governments to consider this opposition's concern also. So he is the governor for the Kerala. So Arif Muhammad Khan. Okay, you can see here the Kerala. What is the probe here means? Meanwhile, the police team has investigation reason. So we can see here the allegation. Okay, and next here also is there. So Janam TV journalist, Janam TV journalist interrogated. So here you can see this. Next, drug syndicates unearthed. 6 arrested with extreme pills. So here you can see this drug, cart, drug cartel. So musicians, actors in Karnataka among the clients. So here you can see some of the clients. So who are having this drug syndicate. So they are going to be unearthed. So marijuana worth 1 crore rupees seized near Bangalore. So the worth of 1 crore was seized near Bangalore. Okay. And next, so here SC refuses. Yes, SC refuses to stay. So Supreme Court refused to stay IT criminal proceedings against Shivakumar. So case based on the charge of recovery of undisclosed wealth. So here you can see these headlines. Next, BJP to seek explanation from MLC for Tipu remark. He called the Sultan the son of the soil. So this is one of the other headlines given here. And next, so just move forward. Yes. So coronal name used by Patanjali. So SC refused to intervene in the appeal. So here you can see this is the things are happening. Next, the news 9. So news in the 9th page. Here you can see this. Pranab still on the ventilator support. So this is given on the basis of this Pranab Mukherjee. So his health was still on the ventilator condition. Support is required. Next, the center is thrusting solutions on us, says several states. So Congress accuses government of taking a majoritarian approach on the issues. So Finance Minister, so Manipur Singh, Manpreet Singh, so Badal of Punjab, and TM Thomas Isaac of Kerala opposed the center's stand. So central government want to pay the GST in spite of these state governments. Okay. Next, so just to move forward. Sonia affects changes in the parliamentary team. So move even as targeted at dissenters. So Sonia Gandhi is acting as still the temporary minister for the Congress party. New equations in Bengal and Kerala. So Sonia's meeting with opposition CM may reflect a shift in alliance strategy. So here this is a meeting taking place. So this is a turning point. So Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi chairing a virtual meeting with the with the 7 CMs on Wednesday. So this is the meeting with the Sonia Gandhi. Here you can see this Sonia Gandhi. So they are discussing about the equations in Bengal and Kerala. Next, Venkaya holds mock session of Rajya Sabha. So members will sit in 6 locations. So this is given about the Rajya Sabha seating portion amid COVID-19. Next, Bihar parties plunge into poll war. So flurry of meeting held as they mull options for new alliance, more seats. So this is the Bihar parties. So you can see here. Next, A.R. Lakshman, former judge, dead. So he is A.R. Lakshman, so former Supreme Court judge, dead. So he had also chaired the 18th Law Commission. So he also acted as a 18th Law Commissioner, and also he also acted as a Supreme Court judge. So he was died. Okay, so he's A.R. Lakshman. Okay, he belongs to the Madras, the Chennai. Next, government reimposes curbs on religious events in Kashmir. So you can see here Muharram is going to be celebrated in the Jammu Kashmir. So there are some restrictions are there. Here. Next, in the 10th page, state asked to limit COVID-19 transmissions. So this is no sign of an inclusive vaccine policy. Rahul says Rahul. So Congress leader says Union government is unprepared. So they said that, so Rahul Gandhi is telling that. So no vaccine, no sign of an inclusive vaccine policy. So the central government is not taking of any proper inclusive policy. Okay. So for the treating of these COVID-19 cases. So this is allegation by this Rahul Gandhi, and a fair inclusive COVID-19 vaccine access strategy should have been in place by now. But there are still no signs of this government GOIs, unprecedented and alarming. So this is the allegation by Rahul Gandhi. So he is telling this. Okay, by this time, the government must be prepared with some sort of inclusive vaccine policy. But by this time, it was not there. So this is the allegation by this Rahul Gandhi. Next, so vitals of Pune volunteers normal. So they have no pain, fever, side reactions, or any systematic illness, says official. So this is about the Pune. This is Maharashtra. So here we can see this one test at a time. So COVID-19 samples being collected at a mobile unit in the New Delhi. So this is in the New Delhi portion. It is connecting of test. So next, just moving forward. So experts widen list of COVID-19 symptoms. So still the COVID-19 symptoms are going to be increased. Day by day, the new symptoms are coming. Okay. So this is the invention of the experts. So involvement of other organs warrant that patients be closely followed up for any long-lasting impact. So the patients who are recovered from this COVID-19, so whether they are having any long-lasting impact or any symptoms of long-lasting impact. So that was observed by the experts. Next, so vital pattern. So here you can see here new cases and deaths total India. So it is about 77,000 cases, new cases and deaths. Next here, within 7 days change plus 11.3%. So deaths is nearly 1,066 deaths, and days change is plus 33.8%. So here you can see the graphs. It is graphs in different states. So Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. So this is the total graphs about the increasing of deaths and other cases. Next, intensive to hold JEE and NEET in September, CPM. Insensitive. So party argues center to defer the exams. So the central government has planned to connect this NEET and JEE. But some of the opposition parties, so they said that this is the correct, this is not the correct way. That is insensitive to hold this. They like that they are arguing, and they are arguing to postpone or to reconsider the exams. Okay. Next, don't put off exams, says so academicians. So the academicians are telling that, so don't put any exams, don't put off exams. So don't put off exams, says academicians. But the academicians, they are telling that so they want to continue the exams. Okay. So next, just we move forward. Next, why not go before the NBA in the Tabligh Jama Masjid case last center? So this is about the Jama Masjid case. Next, SC to here to deliver a verdict today in the UGC's case, the University of Grants Commission. So yes, to deliver a verdict today. The states cannot unilaterally cancel the exams, citing the pandemic, says Commission. So UGC, so University of Grants Commission, they are telling that so states cannot unilaterally cancel the exams by naming this pandemic. So due to the pandemic, you can't cancel the exams. So like that, just they are telling it. Next. So 11th page you can see here the international news. So Russia for concluding fighter helicopter deals by the year end. Delivery of S-400 long-range air defense system to begin by end of 21. So here we can see this. Okay, long range missiles. Yes. So this is the agreement between the Russia and India. So they are going to agree for the long delivery of S-400 long range missiles, that is a defense system, and that should be begun by 2021, and the delivery should be ended by this. Okay, so here we can see this is the choppers. So frontline fighters. So India planning to buy some more Su-30 MKU fighter jets from Russia. So this is the deal between Indian government and the Russian government. Next, so Indian can be weapon supplier. PM. So India is going to be weapon supplier in the future. So Modi highlights self-reliance in defense manufacturing. So in the defense materials or defense equipment, India is already self-reliance. It cannot depend on any other countries. But here, so in the future, it is also going to be transferred to be the supplier of weapons from India. Okay. Next, SC reserves order on Malia's prayer. So this is the Malia's case. So we have seen it. Next, 6 terrorists on the run, says National Investigation. Next, they have been named on the charge sheet filed in the Pulwama attack case. So this is about the Pulwama attack case. We have seen this. So National Investigation Agency. So 6 terrorists on the run. So 6 terrorists have been escaped from this. So this is about that. Next, Pakistan providing shelter to Azhar is regrettable, says So Minister of National Affairs. So JEM had claimed responsibility for the Pulwama attack. So we have seen last time that is Pulwama attack. So he is the Masood Azhar. He said that. So he is the head of this chief of this group, that is JEM, Muhammad group. So Pakistan is going to be providing some shelter. So this is completely regrettable, said by the Indian. It is Indian government. Okay. Next. So action against the travelers if Wi-Fi rules are violated. So here some of the Wi-Fi rules also is there. So draft rules govern use of electronic devices inside the aircraft. So in the aircraft, you can see some of the conditions of Wi-Fi rules. Okay, if they violate this, then the actions will be against the travelers. Okay. Next, going with the flow. So here we can see this. So for a good catch, so villagers casting the fishing nets and the flood waters of Mahanadi after Suburban Gates was opened and Mandali on the outskirts of Bhubaneswar. So here we can see this recently. So throughout India, they have expected many rains and also the floods. So when the gates are opened on the river of this Mahanadi, so some of the farmers, so they have tried to catch the fishes. Okay, they are catching fishes in the flood water. Okay, so this is the incident. Next, High Court relief for journalists. So some of the reliefs were given for the journalist. Okay, journalist by the high courts. So these are the allegations. Next here, just moving forward. Okay. Next. Okay. So just moving forward. So solar tariffs. Yes. So solar tariff in India unlikely to beat Gulf rates. So here we can see this headline. Next, SC to study if UHBL assets can be used to settle debts. So this is the headline. Next, just we move forward. Just we move forward. Next, in the 12th page, there we can see this showcase. Showcase. So there are different ways are there. So there are more. There is more to the isam than milk. So jaggery and sugar. So this is the hormone and the relation with your twist. So here we can see these different food items. Okay, land a fruit punch on paisam. So this is one of the paisam, one of the food item. So festive fest. Next, make your own order. So this is one of the food, new kind of foods. So pride of palate. Okay, so this much of this is new. Yes. To try wine for due. So here we can see different sort of foods. Okay, imagine that virtually following a guide into the food. So these are the different food items. Next is showcase 13th page. So pages on the screen. So book Masala Bangalore. So belong. So this is given about the pages on the screen. So here this is given about the softwares. Okay, just this is not necessary. Okay. Yes. So this is about given about the softwares. Okay. Next, so last page, that is world. So this is very important. So here, China fights missiles into the South China Sea. So they were launched a day after the US flew spy planes through areas where the drills were being held. So here we can see this China's frigate launching an anti-ship missiles during a military exercise in the water near Women Islands and the islands in the. So here we can see this day by day the China. So as the China is exercising by the name of exercise, military exercise, so they are going to fight the missiles at the spot where the US ships are present. Okay. So that is recently, that means yesterday and day before yesterday we have seen these US ships are patrolling there in the artificial islands. So amid these tensions, so the China is going to fire some of the missiles at this point. Okay, so this is a long struggle, the South China Sea. New Zealand Mosquitoes gunman jailed for life. So Britain killed 51 worshippers. So he is one of the person who has killed nearly 51 worshippers, and he was jailed. Okay, jailed for life. Next, please move forward. Turkey says, so this page. Yes. So Turkey says it will hold military drills in the East Mediterranean. So Turkey wants to conduct its military drills in the East Mediterranean. So here there are also in the Middle East. Always we can see here the conflicts between the Turkey, UK, and also this Iran, Iraq. So these Gulf countries always conflict. So here amid these tensions, so Turkey said that it was going to hold military drills in the Eastern Mediterranean. Okay. Next, so Russia opens preliminary probe into Navalny's illness. So unfounded charges are unacceptable. So this is one of the health issue. Next, Pence warns against Biden win. So the hard truth is we won't be safe in the Joe Biden's America. He tells supporters. So here, this is the election campaign which is going on in the US, and the Biden was the competitor for this. So Biden is elected as a Democratic chief. Okay, but here the president Pence, okay, Mike Pence and Donald Trump. So they are at one side, which is Republican Party. This is the elections campaign. Okay. Next, Till Head team held after 2 killed during unrest in Konisha. Additional troops deployed in the US cities. So this is one of the issues occurred in the US. Okay. Next. Yes. Next one is America-Russia vehicles collide in Syria. So as this Syria, so Syria is having Syria. Okay, America, Russia vehicles collide in Syria. So in Syria, so a long war is going, nearly 6 years war. So 6 years war is going on. So in this war, so two peoples are there. So one is Syria, the Russia is going to support for the Syrian government, and the Americans are supporting for the protesters. So in this way, the war is happening. So it is like a Cold War. It's already a Cold War. Okay, between America and Russia. So here finally, the two vehicles are collided. So some US soldiers were injured in the skirmish. So videos of which were emerged on the Twitter. So in this skirmish, that means it is a small conflict between these people. That is the army soldiers between the Russian tanks and also the American tanks. Next, Putin wants military aid for Rashikov. So this is one of the important person in the Russia. So he was suffering with ill health. So he was going to be supported by the president. Next. Yes. So this is the 15th page, business. So 15th page is the business. So here, haven't exhausted policy options. Shaktikant Das. So governor says RBI has instruments to aid pandemic hit economy, argues banks to shed risk aversion. So this is the conversation he is telling to the banks that, so the RBI governor Shaktikant, he was telling that they are having some of the pandemic hit economy aid instruments. So we have the economic instruments, but just they are the policy. So haven't exhausted the policy options. So like that was telling. So this is about the total moratorium. Okay, moratorium policy. So recently the RBI has said that restructuring of loans, new scheme. Okay, you know that. So next, government moves action against personal guarantors. So PSB is asked to mull university move. So this is about against these personal guarantors. Next, so in the business standards, so you can see here, Fed adopt average inflation target, develops focus on job. So to use full range of tools to achieve strong labor market. Next, High Court states insolvency action against Ambani. So here this is okay. High Court says insolvency action against Ambani. So court to hear Arkham chief cleared on October 6th. So this is one of the case. Next, okay. So this is not important that much. Next, women entrepreneurs saw that big revenue drop in the lockdown. So as Center argued to formulate packages for women owners. So India and RDI to be one plus largest by 2022. So India and Asian must shed non-tariff barriers. So Goyal said that. So Asian countries, they want to connect a new rail system from India to the Asian countries. So for this, so must shed non-tariff barriers. There should be non-tariffs so that the movement will be very easy. Okay, next we need to fix a decline trend to trade. So this is the word said by the Piyush Goyal, the railway minister. Next, the proxy, sorry, no, the other minister. Next, the proxy advisor norms to take effect of January. So this is not important that much. Next, just move forward. So India is a state. Okay. So devices covers the job, income loss, resource stores. Okay. Next, India is a state refinance hard crude oil purchases from the Chinese firm. So recently, India has completely banned on the Chinese apps and also other things. So India's state refines hard crude oil purchases from Chinese firms. So July 23 ordered tightens rules to participate in the Indian tenders. So these are some of the business activities. Next, role royalty to sell assets to boost finances. Okay. Next, just move forward. Yes. So 16th page, the last page, 16th is very important. So here, yes. So this is the sports, regarding the sports. So Rahane ready to bat down the order. So Delhi Capitals new signing awaits training sessions and clarity on his role in the team. So options available. Delhi Capitals have quite a few players who can open the batting. So this is about the Rahane. Rahane, the Delhi Capitals. Next, Capitals coach Ricky Ponting checks in. So he is the Ricky Ponting. So he is one of the leader, the Australian captain, and nearly 3 World Cups. The Australia got 3 World Cups under him, under his captain. Okay. Next here, yes. So this person, Nishikori test negative, but pulls out of US Open. So he is a US Open. He was just a great. I think he's yes, want to participate in the sport, but all said that he was having the positive, but though he was tested negative, but he was pulled out, so he was not allowed to participate in the US Open. Next, NBA players decide to continue playoff season. Okay. Next, Osaka changes her mind and had earlier pulled out the W and Open. So here we can see this. Next, Djokovic begins against Junhar. Sirisena going to be slam number 24 is a tough quarter. So this is about the sports. Okay, next. Okay, here we can see this Osaka charges her mind. So Osaka charges her mind had earlier put off the V and Opens. So this is the sports of this person, Osaka. Next, Fogo text positive. So one of the other player. So he also gone test positive. Next, BW reschedules events. Okay. So this is about today's newspaper. So remaining the page is having the advertisement. Okay. So for today, so this is today's newspaper. Okay. So here you can see this on today's Hindu's newspaper, dated 28 August. Yes. So daily I'm going to discuss about this Hindu newspaper in this channel, that is Gopal News channel. Okay, at any time it may be happen. So always just go through this. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos and also the updates. Okay. So that is the end of for today's discussion. That is the newspaper. So thanking you, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos and updates. So thanking you. Have a nice day.